Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So today I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my current favorite things. Like, these are the things that I have been using recently and I'm loving them. So I thought let's share with you all. So if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button because we are very close to 1k subscribers. And talking about today's video, I have few favorites which includes makeup, skincare, clothes, accessories, footwear. So I hope you find this video helpful and interesting, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video. As I mentioned before, I have different categories. So starting off with the very first category, that includes makeup, and in makeup my current favorite lipstick is this one by Alex Evian, and it's in the shade 203, which it says, and it's this beautiful brown color. I actually don't know if we get this brand in India or not. I got this one here in Georgia, and I don't know why I before didn't get this one, because it's amazing. Like, अगर आप उसको एक बार लगा लेते हो ना, तो आप खाओ पियो कुछ भी करो, it stays on your lips the same, and I'm loving it. Like, I got this one a month ago, and since then मैंने इसको जितनी बार possible हो सके उतनी बार उसको मैंने लगाया है. So this one is my absolute favorite. So the second thing that I have is an eyeliner. Actually, this one is my one and only favorite eyeliner. I don't use any other liner. It's this Lakme Insta liner, which is absolutely affordable. 110 या 120 rupees में आता है. You get it on Nykaa और कहीं पे भी. और it's amazing. Like, मेरे को दूसरा कोई लाइनर यूज करते आता ही नहीं. I don't know why, but this one is my favorite one. And I think this is my 5th or 6th bottle. Like, मैं जब से लाइनर यूज करने लगी हूँ तब से I use only this one. So you can guess it कि मेरा ये कितना favorite होगा. I have also used their blue shade, which is stunning. Like, वो भी बहुत अच्छा दिखता है, but we cannot apply blue on our regular basis. So black one is like our go-to thing, and please get yourself a liner. Like, मुझे नहीं पता, if you're a liquid, like if you love applying liquid liners, then this one is the best. It's affordable and वो दिखने में भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है if you apply it properly. So this is the second thing. About the third thing, it's an highlighter, and I recently got this one. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 100, which is molten gold, and I have seen many bloggers recommending this. So I don't know मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं लिया, but I'm so happy I got this one. It's so subtle, it looks good on Indian tone. Like, मेरे skin पे भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and my mom has also tried this, so she also loves it. And it's also like in an affordable range, like 500 के अंदर ही आ जाता है if you get it on sale. So this is the next thing. Last thing in the makeup that I have is this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade orange. Actually, it is an color corrector because I have extremely dark circles, and this gives a good coverage to it. Also, whatever products I will be showing, I'll make sure to find the links to them and add them in the description box. So in case if you want them, you can check that out. And talking about this concealer, if you have dark circles, मतलब मैंने बहुत लोगों को पूछा था, उसके बाद I got this one. It's like, I think for a packaging like this, it's expensive. 700 रुपए का आता है ये. But it is like the best. It, like, मुझे ऐसा लगता था इतनी hype क्यों है इसकी, but when I used it, I thought that it's worth the money. And if you have dark circles, you can get this one. Or if you don't have dark circles, and generally if you want to use a concealer, you can try this. Actually इनका mini version भी आता है, which costs for I think 200 rupees. छोटू सा आता है वो. So first you can try that, and उसके बाद you can invest in the bigger version. So now, as we are done with the makeup, the second category that I have is skincare. Actually, my skin was doing good when, like, India जाने से पहले, but India गई तो बहुत सारे breakouts होने लग गए थे. So my doctor recommended me a face wash, which is the Cetaphil one. It's not actually a face wash, it's a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and I have been using this since a month now, and it works really good. Like, it's very mild and वो बिल्कुल irritating नहीं है, and मेरा face काफी हद तक अच्छा हो गया है वापस. Touch wood. और the only thing I hate about this is इसको कोई fragrance ही नहीं है. Like, it has no fragrance, but it's okay. It works really great, and this one also you get for around like 450-500 rupees. और अगर आप offer में ले लो, या 2 का packages भी आता है which costs for 720 rupees, which is great. Like, ठीक है स्किन पे खर्चा करना चाहिए, इसलिए आई हैव स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिंग इन स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. So the second skincare product that I have to share with you guys is the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% zinc wala serum and it's amazing. Like मैं जो भी चीजें दिखा रही हूँ उसमें सब में मैं बोल रही हूँ it's very amazing, it's really good. But I have recently started using it like from 10 to 15 days and पहले मैं कोई serum as such use नहीं करती थी. I used to use only one for my night care. But for the day one I have started using this one and it's really good. Like इसकी hype भी बहुत चल रही थी, Ordinary के products it were all over the internet. So I thought let's give it a try and I got it recently and I'm loving it. It's good. It like I actually apply it on my pore regions which is usually here and forehead पे और यहाँ पे and it gets absorbed really fast. Like वो ऐसे serums लगा दे तो oiliness आ जाता है face पे, इससे वो नहीं आता है. Like for my skin type it doesn't give that oiliness on the face which I like about it and it's kind of expensive. Like 1100 रुपए में इतना सा बॉटल आता है which is really expensive I think, but as I said skincare पे खर्चा करना चाहिए, so get yourself this if you want to invest in a good serum. So now on to the next skincare product. It's this tea tree essential oil. I actually got this one from Miniso 2 months back and तब से मैं इसको बहुत यूज कर रही हूँ, आधा खत्म हो चुका है. How I use it is मैंने मतलब ऐसे सुना था कि एक्ने के लिए टी ट्री ऑयल इज रियली गुड, so I thought let's give it a shot and I usually pour like 3 to 4 drops in my steamer and फिर मैं इससे steam लेती हूँ. If you don't take steam then please start doing that. You will see that what kind of difference you will get on your skin. Steam लेने से बहुत अच्छा glow भी आता है. So what I usually do is I add this and you will like अगर आपको steam भी नहीं लेना है ना तो you can take 2 to 3 drops of this, add it in your moisturizer and apply it on all over your face. It's good. So this is the next product. On to the last skincare product. The last thing that I have is the M Caffeine Coffee Face Mask. I have recently started using it. Like it's been a month and I'm loving it. M Caffeine के भी products सब जगह थे. Like it was very hyped. So मैंने कभी try नहीं किया था, but I recently got this one for my birthday. Like one of my friend gifted it to me. So I started using it and I'm loving it. Like इससे बहुत अच्छा glow आता है and it smells amazing. And coffee is really good for our skin. Like it exfoliates all the dirt on our face. So instead of making घरेलू उपाय, it's better to invest in something like this because घर का अगर हम बनाते भी है ना तो हम एक बार करेंगे, 2 बार करेंगे, बार बार करने में बहुत जान पे आती है. Even if like you may agree, मेरे को तो भी बहुत जान पे आती है. So I think investing in something like this would be great. It is not that expensive. I think it costs for around 575 rupees, which is really great for a bottle like this. क्योंकि ये बहुत ह्यूज है और ये ज्यादा दिन चलेगा. इवन इफ लाइक आप इसको हफ्ते में 2 बार भी लगाते हो ना, स्टिल इट विल लास्ट यू अ लॉन्गर टाइम. सो इन्वेस्ट इन समथिंग लाइक दिस, इट वुड बी ग्रेट. So now we are done with makeup and skincare. The next category that I have is accessories, and in accessories you may know chunky chains are all over. Like उसका फैशन ही बहुत अलग है, मतलब वो बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. एंड आई गॉट दिस वन रिसेंटली विच इज दिस स्मॉल, लाइक इट इज नॉट वेरी लॉन्ग, इट्स लाइक टिल दिस लेंथ, इतना आता है इतना. But this looks so good, like I can't even tell you in words. Invest in something like this because this will last you longer. I actually got this one from Shein, but as Shein is banned in India, so you can get this on I think H&M, Zara, or even there are many online stores which have recently started selling some cool accessories. So invest in something like this because ये बहुत अच्छा दिखता है, trust me on this. Now on to the next category. It's footwear, and in footwear I have like shown you this on my footwear video, like my footwear collection video, and it's this transparent heels by Shein again. But you get transparent heels in India also. I'll add some good transparent heels links in the description box. मुझे पहले से लगता था कि ये कैसे दिखेगा, मतलब मेरे को इसको लेके कम से कम 6 महीने हो गए थे, बट मैंने इसको कभी नहीं पहना था. but when I went to India I carried this with me and I think I wore it a lot. It looks so good. मतलब पूरा outfit का look ही change हो जाता है, like even if it's transparent but it adds that glam to your look and it looks really great. And I love this. Like if you don't have a transparent heel, please get yourself one, because when you are in doubt कि क्या पहनना है किस outfit पे, so this is the heel which will help you in any outfit and every outfit. So that was the only thing that I had for footwear. Now on to the fragrances. In fragrance I have two things. The very first one is a perfume, and the perfume that I use is by Victoria's Secret and it's their Showtime Angel. And this is like बहुत अच्छा. मैंने बहुत सारे परफ्यूम्स यूज किए बट मैं घूम फिर के इसी बॉटल पे आती हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता क्यों, बट इट स्मेल्स रियली गुड एंड इट हैज दैट लाइक इट इज क्या बोलते हैं इसको, बहुत डार्क सेंट नहीं है. लाइक मुझे जो फ्लोरल फ्रेग्रेंसेस बहुत अच्छी लगती है एंड दिस इज रियली गुड. So the second thing that I have to share with you guys, which is related to fragrance, is this room freshener. I got this one from Miniso and it's their solid air freshener in orange blossom and water lily fragrance. And दिस स्मेल सो गुड यार. इसको खाने का मन करता है मेरा, पता नहीं क्यों, बट ना हम खा भी नहीं सकते. बट लाइक हम रूम फ्रेशनर्स कैसे रहता है कि इफ वी ब्रिंग द बॉटल वर्जन वी कंसिस्टेंटली स्प्रे इट इन आवर रूम, बट दिस वन आई लाइक्ड बिकॉज इसके ऊपर एक ऐसा फॉइल आया था विच वी हैव टू रिमूव एंड उसके बाद यू कैन सी इट हैज दिस सिलिकॉन थिंग जो अब कम हो चुकी है. एंड वंस यू रिमूव दैट यू हैव टू जस्ट कीप इट इन योर रूम. यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक वरी अबाउट स्प्रेइंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन. So now on to the last category, and the last category that I have is clothes. In clothes I have three different things. The very first one is like mom jeans. मैं पहले मॉम जीन्स बिल्कुल नहीं पहनती थी क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि ये कितनी मोटी होती है, कैसी दिखती होगी एंड हाउ पीपल वेयर इट. बट जब मैंने खुद ट्राई किया उसके बाद आई बॉट 3 फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई keep on wearing the same jeans every single day because they are so comfortable. So if you haven't tried mom jeans, एक बार ट्राई करके देखना, अगर अच्छा लगे तो ले लेना. Like आप मुझे थैंक करोगे कि मैंने पहले मॉम जीन्स क्यों नहीं पहनी, बिकॉज हम जो रेगुलर जीन्स पहनते हैं ना वो टाइट होती है, तो टाइट जीन्स हमको मतलब ऐसे घुटन होने लग जाती है. बट दिस जीन्स आर लाइक दे आर ओपन, सो इतना ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ नहीं लगता है उसमें. I hope you get my point. So this was the first clothing item. The second thing that I have is Hainex. Georgia में अभी भी ठंड हो रही है, so I love sweaters, but I just love Hainex. मेरे पास अब almost हर color के हो गए हैं, like black, white, this one. I also have a cream colored one, the blue one which I'm wearing, which has like a frill pattern, which I recently got. बट इन जनरल आई वॉन्टेड टू टेल कि हाईनेक्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं क्योंकि उसमें ना कहीं से हवा नहीं घुसती है और ठंड में ना बहुत जान निकल जाती है, तो आई लव इन्वेस्टिंग इन हाईनेक्स. सो द लास्ट क्लोथिंग आइटम एंड द लास्ट थिंग फ्रॉम माई करंट फेवरेट्स इज जॉगर्स. मैं पहले जॉगर्स बिल्कुल नहीं पहनती थी, मेरे को सिर्फ लाइक नॉर्मल कैजुअल नाइट पैंट्स अच्छे लगते थे. मेरे को नहीं पता क्यों मैं जॉगर्स नहीं पहनती थी, बट जब से मैंने ये एक पहले ये लाई थी मैं, और जब से मैं ये लाई हूँ तब से मैंने और 2 ले ली है बिकॉज जॉगर्स आर सो कंफर्टेबल, दे लुक सो गुड, लाइक कैजुअल, लाइक यू कैन इवन वेयर देम आउटसाइड. घर में तो पहन ही सकते हो, बाहर भी तुम पहन के जा सकते हो, एंड दे लुक सो 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 गुड. दे लुक लाइक सो कैजुअल बट दे लुक सो क्लासी एंड आई एम लविंग जॉगर्स बिकॉज बस मेरे जो जॉगर्स है मैंने वो थर्मल टाइप्स में लिए हुए हैं बिकॉज यहाँ पे ठंड होती है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, लाइक 12 महीने में से 8 से 9 महीने ठंडी होती है. सो मेरे पास जो भी जॉगर्स है वो सारे थर्मल फैब्रिक के हैं अंदर से, विच इज़ ग्रेट फॉर अ क्लाइमेट लाइक दिस. बट इन जनरल इफ यू हैवंट ट्राइड जॉगर्स, ट्राई करना, सच में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. आई एम नॉट किडिंग, बट मतलब मैंने हर चीज में बोला होगा कि ये चीज ट्राई करना, ये चीज ट्राई करना, बट द होल पॉइंट ऑफ दिस वीडियो इज आई वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू गाइज माय फेवरेट्स which will like if you try, and I hope you like them. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and if you want me to do like monthly favorites or any kind of other video suggestions if you have, then do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.